Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can deactivate Snapchat account. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to your profile option and from there just go to your settings. Once you are in the settings, just scroll a bit down until you find this support option which says I need help. Just go over here. Once you are in I need help option, you'll be redirected to Snapchat support like this. Now here are a lot of things you can do. So as you want to do, let's say what do you want to do? You want to deactivate account. What you need to do is just go to the search option. Over here just type deactivate and you'll be redirected over here like this. So just go with how do I deactivate or delete my account. Now scroll a bit down. Over here you'll be having options for two devices, Android and an Apple. So I'm using an Android device, so I'm going to be telling about Android. So over here what you need to do is just go to the Snapchat account portal and just delete my account, input your password and then press on confirm it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you're going to be doing. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.